friends, welcome to my humble homestead. Today I'm going to show you some meal prep that I have previously done that I have not had time to edit. So that is what we're going to work on. I'll be showing you how I did a little bit of freeze drying of some leftovers, and yeah, we'll see some other things that I did. So if that interests you, come along. Friends, welcome to Trina's Humble Homestead. Today I am going to do some meal prep for the week. I did get my pig from the butcher and I made some of the sausage that I got. Here I did the sausage, they seasoned it. I made it in the Instapot. And then I had some mushrooms that I'm also going to use later in some meat that I'm going to make. And I put some mushrooms in here. Here I have just about a dozen eggs. I'm just going to beat these up with some salt, pepper, and I just have some almond milk here. And I'm going to beat these up and I'm going to pour them over my sausage and mushroom mixture. I'm also going to put a little bit of my veggie powder in here because I like to do that when I make an egg bake, just to give it a little more nutritional substance here. Super easy meal prep. So I'll have meals for the week and then I'll probably divide some up into some extra freezer meals here. So I'm just going to pour this simply into my mixture. And then I have the cheese that I pre-shredded and froze from Azure Standard. I'm going to put that over the top. Just topping it off with the shredded cheese here. Having the cheese pre-shredded is a game changer for me, making this meal prep so easy. And then I'm just going to bake this for about 40 minutes in the oven. And I will show it to you when it's all done. So I just wanted to show you I am meal prepping for the week. You saw last week I did fish with the broccoli salad. I did get my pork. Look at the size of these pork steaks. Man, they are amazing. And then I also have a couple beef steaks. So just super simple meal prep. I've got some chopped red onion underneath there and some mushrooms. And then I just chopped up a bunch of the portobello mushrooms on top. I'm literally going to throw this in the oven, bake it, and let it cook. And this is going to be meals. I mean, this is probably plenty. One of these is probably 2 meals for me. And then, so I'm probably going to have plenty of meals here, enough to even put away for future meals. And so, yeah, this is how I meal prep. Super easy. I'm going to throw it in the oven, and I'll probably make some rice with it. Have some broccoli, and this will go on. I'm going to make some egg bake with the sausage. Very happy with the pork that we received. So yeah, all right, we'll see you in a bit. I'll show you what it looks like after a while. Here is the hot egg bake right out of the oven. It smells and looks amazing. So I just added my water into the Instapot. I'm going to add my rice, and then I'm just going to cook this on the rice setting. And I will have this to go with my steak and mushrooms. Easy breezy meal prep. Hi friends, so welcome back. I am going to be freeze drying these meals that I made in another video I can link below. This is actually chicken chili. It is one of my favorites. So easy to make. But I froze them in these cubes, and I'm going to put them on my Prep for Life cube trays. And then these are the broccoli, rice, and chicken casserole that I froze. And I have 2 trays of those. So I'm going to also put those in frozen, freeze dryer full. So right now my freeze dryer is just pre-freezing since these are frozen. And then I will put these in, and I will show you how they turn out. So these are going to be what you would call MREs. So I know my son, when he was in the Army, they had MREs. And I know people, when they go camping, they like to have them, and they've purchased them, and they've been super expensive. But these are going to be nice, wholesome, homemade MREs. We'll just reconstitute them with water and hot water, and they will be ready to eat wherever you are. So if you're out camping, or you're out in a car, or you're out at work and you just need a quick meal, these will be perfect. And these will store up to 20 years. So I'm going to get these on the tray and I will show you as I put them in the freeze dryer. Okay, so now my Prep for Life freeze dryer is cooled down to 32 degrees and it says it's ready to insert the food that is frozen. So I am going to put my frozen meals in to the freeze dryer here. I'm just going to insert my trays. So let's get that started here. So I've got that inserted. And then, yes, it's inserted. And then I just push start. And there we go. Now it's going to continue to freeze, and then it'll deep freeze, and then it will freeze dry.